Children, Sai Ram. Welcome to EVS class. Today in EVS, again we are going to do revision. But this time in revision, teacher will be asking you some questions. We will discuss the answer for this revision questions and you are going to practice these questions at home. Okay kids? So let's begin with our revision part. First we'll see fill in the blank. Okay? So let's start. We'll discuss the answer for this. Okay? And you have to write this fill in the blanks in your 1 number notebook. Okay? That is your activity notebook. Okay? So let's start. First question. A dash crops for us. Who grows crops for us? Yes? Farmer. Farmer grows crops for us. Yes? Next question. Diwali is celebrated by. Who celebrates Diwali? Hindus or Muslims? Yes, Hindus. Hindus celebrate Diwali. So the first and the second answer you will write. Okay? Now the next question. Dash is a form of recreation. You can write any form. Drawing or outdoor games. Okay? Okay? Dash is a form of recreation. You can write drawing or painting or reading book or playing outdoor game is a form of recreation. Okay? The next. Dash are small plants with soft stems. Now what are small plants with soft stems? Shrubs. No. Then? Yes. Herbs. Herbs are small plants with soft stems. Okay? Now next question. We find animals like dash on wall. We find animals like dash on the wall. Now which animals we find on wall? Yes, correct. Lizards. We find lizards? Yes, we find lizards on the wall. Next question. Flatlands are called. What flatlands are called? Hills or plains? Correct. Flatlands are called plains. What they are called? Plains. Okay. Next question. Summer is the dash season. Now summer is the coldest or the hottest season? Yes, summer is the hottest season. Now kids, we have seen some of the fill in the blanks of all these chapters. Now we have discussed the answer for this. What you will do? You will practice these questions in your 1 number notebook. Okay? Let's move on to the next questions. State whether the following statement is true or false. Okay? First one. A milkman delivers milk. Is this statement is true? Yes. Who delivers milk? Milkman. So a milkman delivers milk. This statement is true. Okay? Now the next question. Pongal is celebrated in Punjab. Yes, Pongal is celebrated in Punjab. Is this statement is true? No. Then where Pongal is celebrated? Yes, correct. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu, right? And in Punjab, which festival is celebrated? Which harvest festival? Yes, Lohri. So this statement is false. Okay? Now the next question. Recreation is the free time that we get to relax. Is this statement is true? Yes, it's absolutely true. Recreation means a free time that we get to relax. And what we do in our relaxed time? We listen to music or we play some game, indoor or outdoor game. Yes or no? we do paintings. Yes. Next question. Tall and strong plants are called trees. Yes, the statement is true or false? Think for the answer. Yes, this statement is true. Tall and strong plants, what they are known as? They are known as trees. Okay. Next question. All animals are of same kind. Yes, is it? All animals are of same kind? No, some animals are big, some animals are small, some animals are walking, some are crawling. Yes or no? So they all are not of same kind. Yes. So all animals are not of same kind. So the statement is false. Okay? Next question. A small model of the earth is called a globe. Yes, the statement is true. Yes, you must have seen a globe. It is a small model of the earth. Yes, so the small model of the earth is known as globe. So the statement is true. Next question. Trees shade their leaves in autumn season. Is this statement is true? Yes. In which season trees shade their leaves? Yes, correct. This statement is true. Trees shade their leaves in autumn season. Yes or no? So this statement is true. Yes. Now kids, similarly how you have did for fill in the blanks, same you have. Now kids, like fill in the blanks, you have to copy down this questions, this true or false questions in your 1-number notebook. Okay? And please practice this. Now we'll move on to the next question. That is answer in short. So let's start. First question. Who repairs and makes furniture? Now think for the answer. Who repairs and make furniture? Yes, carpenter. Yes, carpenter repairs and makes new furniture for you. Yes. Next question. Which festival is celebrated by Muslims? Think for the answer. I know you all must be knowing the answer. Yes, it's correct. Which festival is being celebrated? That is Eid. Eid is the festival which is celebrated by Muslims. Yes or no? So Eid is the festival which is celebrated by Muslims. Next question. What stops us from becoming dull? Yes, recreational activities. Yes, by doing some recreational activities. Yes, will not feel dull by doing some recreational activities, or will not feel bored while doing recreational activities. Yes. So the next question is, what are tall and strong plants called? Just now we have seen this question. What are tall and strong plants called? Think for the answer. Yes, they are called as trees. Tall and strong plants are called trees. Next question. Which is the cleanest form of water? Which water is the cleanest form of water? Just tell me. Yes, rainwater. Rainwater is the cleanest form of water. Yes or no? Next question. Which is the coldest season? Which is the coldest season? Yes, it is a winter season. Winter season is the coldest season. Yes. Now kids, we have discussed some of the answers for some of this revision questions. Now what you will do? You will copy down all these questions in your 1-number notebook, and you will write down the answer by your own. We have already discussed the answer for this. So now it is easy for you to write the answer. Yes. I hope you will practice this. Okay kids? See you in the next period. Thank you.